Hello and welcome to my video. In this video, I will show you a close-up of the TESSAN Power Tower and discuss 8 of its key features. The TESSAN Power Tower is a space-saving vertical charging station featuring 12 widely spaced AC outlets and 5 USB ports. It can manage up to 17 devices simultaneously. Key feature 1. There are 12 AC outlets which have a power rating of 125 volts, 10 amps, and 1,250 watts. The vertical tower design maximizes desk space and kitchen counter space, providing ample room for large adapter plugs, allowing all outlets to be used simultaneously. Key feature 2. There are 3 USB-A ports and 2 USB-C ports for fast charging smartphones, tablets, digital cameras, laptops, and earphones. Key feature 3. There is an LED indicator light. The LED small indicator light informs you the power is active while giving off dim light. Key feature 4. There is an on and off rocker switch located on all 4 sides of the tower, which turns power on and off to each corresponding column only. Key feature 5. There are 4 non-slip rubber mats located on the bottom of the power tower, keeping the tower from sliding. Key feature 6. There is a built-in red button overload protector. The built-in circuit breaker will trip off automatically to protect your devices from an overload surge up to 900 to 2100 joules, which provides a moderate to high protection for household electronics. Key feature 7. There is a low-profile flat plug which fits easily behind furniture, beds, and nightstands. Key feature 8. The TESSAN Power Tower comes in white or black and with a 10-foot or 15-foot cord. The cost is $30 on Amazon. I do hope this video was informative and helpful. It features the TESSAN Tower Power Strip with individual on and off switches, a built-in surge protector, 12 outlets, 5 USB ports, and a 10-foot cord with a flat plug, allowing for 17 devices simultaneously. As always, thank you for watching.